What is up, guys? This is Al Saver checking in. Welcome back to my channel, and also welcome back to a brand new pickups review. So today we're going to be talking about my latest pickup, which is this Bulldozer lace-up boot from Balenciaga. Definitely I had to add this one in the mix. It's very similar to the Strike boot that I picked up, but this one has a thicker sole. This outsole, it's 80 millimeters thick, which is approximately 3 inches off the ground. So it does give you a significant amount of height, but also it comes with the embossed logo on the side. You know, this boot is pretty crazy. As most of the Balenciagas that you guys pick up, it does come with 2 dust bags as usual. You know, it's pretty given. This boot is made of vegetal calf skin. It's just a process of how they turn things into leather. This is a lace-up boot. It comes with 11 eyelids. It does come with a leather pull loop, which is kind of unnecessary. I feel like it's not really needed, you know. I personally think it looks a lot better without it, just my opinion. So the shaft area of this boot, which is basically near the shins, it does get pretty tight on your front foot. So for this type of situation on the sizing, I definitely recommend you guys sticking true to size on most of the Bulldozer lace up. So even on the sketch version and the all black version, definitely stay true to size. But for my instance, I went down a size, just my regular Balenciaga sizing, just because I wanted to wear this most of the time with the laces kind of loose, either with the laces loose or basically with the tongue folded down like a pair of Timbs. So that's just how I wanted them to feel. So it's just my preference, but I definitely recommend you guys staying true to size, especially if you're a person that doesn't have the most slimmest legs. You're gonna need to have a little bit more room for this Bulldozer lace-up boot. For the Chelsea model and the low tops, definitely I think for those you can downsize, because you know, obviously without laces and one is a low top, since it's like a heavier shoe, it would be a little bit smarter to have the shoe grab a little tighter with the smaller size. That's like common sense, right? Like you would think they fit in that kind of way. This boot is pretty simple. It's made in Italy, has a rounded toe area. Another thing to mention, it does come with the inner zip, which is also branded with YKK. It's a good add-on, and I always like their zippers. You know, it's good quality and it's smooth and it lasts for a long time. And yeah, basically that's the entire boot. I definitely wanted to add this one to the mix because, you know, it looks pretty cool and it made more sense buying these than the Rhino lace-ups. For sure, thank you so much for checking out my video. And last but not least, here's some on-feet B-rolls. I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and Al Saver signing out. Peace.